Alright, can we get a good view? No, we can't. It has an accordion door, that's cool. We're just going to put this on the ground because this is your own personal bathroom. For now. And this looks like a 1998 again. $103.99. $10.02.99. $10.02.99. 10.03.99. This one's more. And I don't know if that's proper search. It probably is, although it might just be a food master. Oh look. This is a older. Oh, this is an older one because it has the older fill valve. Kohler. I think this is a pre-ingenium Kohler Wellworth. Now for her day. Here we go. Accordion door, you pull this thing and it opens. Light switch, light, curtain. This is in Seattle, Washington. Actually, not Seattle, Orcas Island.